Yeva Fabaso Emreo BBS Roofing Sheets Franco Trading Enterprise Adaroma Edru say na nsam abamano Sedru say na nsam abamano Message media is ma tie phone nyina na ma hwe phone nyina abo Se dwuma bi a medi ne fa ba so no ese ya dwuma wa wo tie na wo hwa wo se we dia fa me ho we dia wo kan asem bi amayen maka so the sovereignty of this nation resides in we Ghanaians. COVID-19 hon komo twetwe no ensesan Like I confirmed cases, Ghana, 12,193. Nipa wamanya bi Ghana, yarieno, 12,193. Yaria 12 March, March 12 March. And you record the first 2 cases were Ghana. And then you chum 10,000. You chum 12,000. Na enkakran sembi di bisa ye hia answers bi ye hia answers edwada ne bisa bi sa ye tisa contact tracers wamu do amadwuma to ho esa se sika 300 Ghana cedis I promise 150 Ghana cedis I promise you every day no After 75 cities pan woman saka. Na ye bisa. Se donations are eba COVID-19 trust fund ni mu no. Sika no eba brano enra kra mete se MPRA. Wama donate 215,000 Ghana cedis. Over 2 billion. Sika no afa hen. And nose mask abaya mandatory. And a penna make us say, yes, I'll see as an abaya mandatory. A brand part of my penny signing EI no and a bear mandatory. But ya relax be our Ghana. And a permission come to was in someone, but no phone is answer. Now, many Dr. Gabriel Benaku, a president, Coalition of Health NGOs. Many nutrition come on. Doc, what's in car? Faba was so me wakwaba. Hello, Doc.
Hello.
Madam, what's in car?
Let's monka.
So, what do you want here?
Yeah, pa.
Yadinamiasi. Doc, a fibra yari in Tigana ha. One major stakeholder, Coalition of Health NGOs. Kwanya ya faso akura yari yadin shishe gu akwan so yadin lockdown by ya lifted lockdown afei restrictions ni bi kra no ya easy no ya cases kwa na ekosoro doc moje ne sen
yo me don wase me chia mo tiefo nyina ne ye kan ne se akade a wo se aban edi boa wo muni a wo mu ku efun no amaye no eni ye ne ti mamufuo no atochima ntinu aban enkanya no ho na ye san ka se COVID-19 task force no omo yada ti omo nkanya omo sorry waka
doc
ye pese kire
doc so ka se aban enkanya no ho a kwan ben aban kanya no ho because aban de onne kasa osema provide PPEs media allowance my contact tracers and no crown minim say what honsem contact tracers wo mo honsem sika enko what enti say ban Kenya no ho a on Kenya no ho kwan ben so afei apomodi adwuma efo no so asese yi wo mo risk wo mo life mo risk mo life yi mo so kwan ben na mo fa so Kenya mo ho doc
yo mi da se mini sabe menye adwuma emma aban area private na yeni NGOs no dia sabi aban on fire and come front line for ho nti ye send your constitution e ma ye kwan sɛ yɛn man kyerɛkyerɛ yɛnyɛ research yɛn kasa mu na aban ɛnsesa ɛnyɛ nsakraeɛ saa na constitution ɛma yɛ kwan sɛ yɛnyɛ ɛno na yɛyɛ no na nea yɛka nyinaa ne sɛ woyi partial lockdown anaa lockdown firi hɔ a ɛyɛ wɔ sɛ wo double effort of the other interventions social distancing hand sanitizing hand washing environmental cleanliness the use of the mask ɛno no ɛwɔ sɛ wo double the effort ɛne yɛbisa sɛ sika no a yɛnea yɛ papa ɛfrɛ ghanafoɔ ma yɛ nyinaa yɛboa yɛ a yɛyi ntoboa no COVID-19 trust fund no ɛwɔ hemfa ɛwɔ sɛ saa sika no yɛde boa baabi a apɔmudinfoɔ no ɛyɛ adwuma ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ni akadeɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde boa ɔmo saa mmerɛ yɛbɛdu saa mmerɛ yɛnya hu nhyehyɛeɛ bi a trust fund no yɛde bɛyɛ sika no ɛda hɔ ɛne yɛnhu ne yɛmfa nyɛ cases no ɛrekɔ soro amanfoɔ ɛresu nurses and midwifery council for ɔmo kasa da biara Ghana Medical Association for ɔmo kasa da biara yɛne NGOs in health yɛ over 382 yɛ kasa da biara yɛdi kan koraa yɛ research koraa ansa na aban de biribi abɛto dwa ne yɛbisa sɛ taska no yɛde som ɔman no anaasɛ yɛma no awɔ hɔ saa ɛno na yɛka ho asɛm sɛ yɛka sɛ ɔmo da na asekyerɛ no
Doc, say yɛka sɛ contact tracers sika sɛ yɛde ma ɔmo 150 Ghana cedis I promise you ɔmo koraa no ɛma 75 Ghana cedis ne nso so ɛno nso so ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛnkɔ koraa ma yɛka sɛ from the beginning of this month June wɔn nyɛ adwuma but wɔn apɔmuden adwumayɛfoɔ ma yɛte aseɛ sɛ 3 T's ɛna yɛbɛgyina so ɛde akɔ yare yi tracing testing treatment and to say at the point of tracing crown adwuma no enko so a doc na ye kwa na say yeba
mania nsem do have in person my can anga na invite me
doc nsem ho so na say wan kan a kira bi na fa ye kwa say amihun banka at that point enka me kirem sa madwin nti doc ne adro ni de aye hu
ye wa de nyina ho kwan so ne nyina na fata but ye can nyina ne say ye team of four ye ka ho na aban ye service mampani success story bia obeka bia no ye nyina ye ka ho bi na ya o ka ho asem minister Ghana Health Service Director General o mbe gina na o mu ka say ya enye o mu nkwan o ni me no ye na boa ma o mu nsaka that success story na ya o mu ka ho asem tin ye ka nyina ne say we need to double the effort of what we have done so far. Let's increase resources, logistics to all the districts. Let's make the testing available in all the districts. If possible, even some of the district hospitals are more what the capacity. Abaima Yasuti said, TB centers, but we are TB test. Almost and Tidiana, TB test. Ometuma calibrate ma atuma your COVID-19 test. Omuka ya busumi enu na ya bai. Omunyanye. Omaya omumba ya no basa omaya. Intimini ani ye kanyana ne say. Government should double the effort of what we are doing so far. That's all.
Doc, say yeah, face mask and a nose mask. Can be so we have to live with it. Now that's one of the major ways I bet me akwusayare. But you relax it. It is a me be some what to for. Especially regional ministers, MMDCs approach for because they say I do pointer. I say enforce law enforcement. So ne be you bet me about your home buying. Doc, a photo by now they must have for Ghana phone on nose mask especially. Doc.
Nose mask is noted as one of the best strategies to cut the chain of spread of the COVID-19. Into Obibia Wutie, our Ghana has. More than 5 million Ghanaians are listening now. All that I'm saying is that protect yourself first before you think of your environment. Until say you protect your home. we are using the face mask properly and consistently. Now you use sanitizer can we are already reducing the chain of reinfection. Face mask, who use I was all strategies there. A bit my boy na 7 when you so end town. Into a do baby a hawk 7 deeper in honor. A bit much. Kakra now the sanitizer I was no watch kakra no one young from now what talk come up. But baby a nipa mienu miensa wa mo ben ho no a. I was always tightly. Into Sabio say overshare face mask no now what talk. Na ubenya nkwana wa ye adwuma boa Ghana ye chen say ubeka say media me sharp manisi time nti me nche na wakwanya aboa emboa no bi na afi odi aside go say nyame amfa nyame ani wo fofia na sabi wa hwere nkwa nti obi a anhwe no ho so yi obi a mbo no ho pai
doc aka enforcement bit no kwan ya fa so I enforce samrei because Ghana for you do na ya so den and I believe you are aware you agree with me doc
many answer would him say on the 29th of May press release Ekachida Aban said he need to pass executive instrument on the use of the face mask and support the Ghana Police Service to enforce the law. Yes, in the research, look at the research I did, ma'am. You need logistics to support the Ghana Police Service to double out their effort to enforce in all the district capitals. Anybody be a police station will be on.
Look, I'm not sitting offense here. Dr. Gabriel Benakoya, President, Coalition of Health NGOs, Namneno Atuchen Komono. I would say, our lives are in our own hands. To see a yaya shabre crying some COVID-19 brayim wano. Ye did you ma bebre. Ya left the lockdown. Emma Cecia ye twagum. Se me kwashe makwala drum kantamanto. Kwa Rollins Park. Kwa Kaneshi Circle. Kwa La Paz. Kwa Kumasi Ketia. Kwa Takrady Market Circle. Kwa he. Yemfa bibia nyashi na mo mema remfi. Se afie ya muno. Omampania kasa COVID-19 brei ene se na figures no ekosuru nyina chi no. Esukufo binom sa akọ school. Esukufo binom sa akọ school. Abrehemu aba ye fumigate to hard disinfecting schools ni ade nyina na emofra no enkankan ni JHS2 ni JHS4 no SS4 no a omo kọ no. Wamu wo fie kura no ahoban bo no tesen. Wamu maame no papa nchen kura no ahoban bo no etesen. Na so wamu nko school. Etesen. Eti anu so ese wudwene ho. Anu so ese wudwene ho. Sisi ya bien sorry. Ama hye da ho nipa 100 butimi kwa sorry. But anu mpo no etesen. Anu so dwene ho. Asori no a wo ba ba kwa no enu so dwene ho. Then ya Christopher. But we need to apply wisdom. We need to apply wisdom. Asori ni danchan ya. NIF say ya ka say, wa ma fi ase acheche cards. Enti anu so ukọ wakwaje o card. Ukọ wakwaje o card. Na enu so ekadan social distance ya eka ho asemi. Enu so eka echese ho ho. 30th year electoral commission be fiase a trading. 30th year electoral commission be fiase a trading. Yankasa mo bi nyana dwuma. But wodwene ho nkwa ho a ensem bi ho no mo a obisa. Now she say anamon ya me ba betuai. 1 Ebeboa me. anamoya mba betwe 1 ebeboa me enti eno so asase adwene ho registration no achi MPP for crown so be primaries just say nyama mebre ho no even in these extraordinary times me nyina no esese wa wutie me wa wo hwe me wa wo shabre ne kura wonsam no enti dwene ho face mask se CI abai mandatory se wo sha wa na wo de bo ho ban ko Facebook obehunu video Facebook se CI ko Facebook adom 106.3 FM ebusia na se obewi ase bra na yade bia ntimi anku wanya ka akwanhia ana obi anto aduru amawdi anku na COVID-19 bana kwan ya obefa so abo wankasansa ho ban kwan ba ko mienu miensa wantumi anye na wowu nkwase awuo. Yes, my friend in Kwasi Awo because so wo ma busuani bi antim mahwani achi. Ya chichiro rubber bag ma ko Facebook adoma no 6.3 FM on Facebook. Kwa hwa kwan a yensie wo ma COVID-19 akum wo mo. Hwe. Ko Facebook se sia adoma no 6.3 FM on Facebook. Sa unhunu ya kwa hwa kwan a ya fa so esie wo ma COVID-19 akum wo no. We na beho nipa oba wo no we na beho politin mag ni ade chechire wo ho e ba sane na chlorine na wa ye befo wo no so enti se kase bo wo ho ban a yanka abone ti se yakasa ide yade no atere apomdi adwuma fo no so atere wo mo so they are overwhelmed. It's a treatment center sir you designate yes a higher treatment center and pani ho cause higher ma inti wards ni bi na ade abeka ho emergency wards ni ade ye de ni na aka ho se na be betumi age nkrofo ni same ponti ehu se se na do treatment center ye hwema ho nto wie o so ho nto fully uwie ya ho ato ne Samsung testel so se se amoa ni nyina asane amoa kofie ho to kakra no a empani honti line the ho empani honti yasikofie na ho franso emenya ba bi na udru fie akoye testa na emoa ne se minie menkoi enti yamma ho ban hwese na yesie nipa dasani hwese na yesie nipa dasani say testia me wasembisa ya tisa KNUST wama ye rapid diagnostic test kit anyane yati yakoba busum mienu yati yakoba busum mienu as we speak masembisa ne say some testing kit no evaluation a ya share ni ma free FDA for ho et sense CIA ayakasai KNUST for any incas one more RDT no nsam ne tesen ana sam no eba yaka na fe aya fe na nu nansa na ajagu we are in extraordinary times abusia na say ya WhatsApp platform in yamfa ne mani agro because COVID-19 no ekum nipa aya na go for the dada ho COVID ne de ntimi nkum nkwara it's a big lie enti nkwara no wamu ko school no se ntimi nkunu kura abofra no akwa ede abekum olumai no a wotifie no Because you are vulnerable. You are vulnerable. And I'm meeting news story be na me raho. So even in these times, National Health Fund to me health facilities ka. Menti Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association of Ghana. One say free 1st July. One supply on credit. One supply on credit from 1st July. Now in these COVID-19 times, huh? Never be National Health for ya and I'm donate about 250,000 Ghana cedis at the COVID-19 Trust Fund. And we talk about it now with the explanation neat. They are better to any team. Yenshani say the nose mask in the juma. I say yenche. Because Ghana for binom ya so den. Ubenyo bi manaka sabi nkura sesama kyerɛw just because we be say we nose mask wen. Obeka nkura sesama kyerɛw asema anyansa nim. Ubewu kwase ewo. Wan go form ma Facebook, wan. So, eti wo de ye ka mentie. Anapa na meka say yare no ma mote ka yi mu sese ya amutie me, mote taxi yi mu amutie me sese yi. Bra no ote won chan no, so wo bi a ye ntwere ne mama so. So yare ni bia, ye ntwere ne mama so. Enti yabo de wuro ya ka shanos mask yo, shanos mask yo, shanos mask yo, twintwan. Ube wu nkwase awuo. Yesie wu nkwase yesie. Tiawa. Enti mire du asese yankasa nsa de hyebre hye ensem. Ema wreho. Ema wreho. Se sika keka yade ma adwuma fo ma mo de aye adwuma no eno so akwa gba chibidi. So then why did the president even make the announcement? Say the dada wamo a adenti na so man pani kura begina bedwam no aka. So the insurance package say me the tax relief say allowance say na me de ma frontline health workers. Risking their lives. So we are so for na we be wa sorry a mo nyame nhyira. So we are sorry na mo bia to ho say Wednesday service, teaching service, deliverance and prophetic service, Bible study, then Sunday miracle service. Nanso so yemfa nyansa nto ho. Yemfa nyansa ento ho. Esansa meme gidie de, e chem se Christos mo, ene no wakomam. A woman is in the Bible. Man die in Shiamu, but not in these extraordinary times. Minimum sorry bebria, woman make use of social media during these times. And that's fine. But niake chireno awa minu mi enusam, we are parent. Na wo jaw bakwan amanasa ko school, boarding house wa. Jeneni amahu. Bisa ho sa me bay won kwai e dia na odi free school honum e be sa dia ba fie asem bisa no poni se me bay won ya dia ni bi school ha school ho no ano wo mo isolation center school no mu no wo mo isolation center e betu de na kwato ahwe no ana so school ni sick bay ho an ye de na ba kwato bisa ho. And the government must do the needful. COVID-19 trust fund no sika abamu no, let us know. Me hunu juma we dia menka besi aban akobo da bi. Aman your phone no mu bisa aban besi akobo be chen ni ade. No, anya no hu na make. But say you donate sika for a particular cause, we should know what the money is being used for. Especially contact tracers, eco strike, because sikama. 03022165661 03022165662 03022165661 03022165662. Say ubatina sia ifriwa say yade no so bekum a eno so agina wankasa nkasa wo so agina wankasa nkasa wo so apomudi adwuma ye fon wankasa nkasa wo mudi animu no that adwoda no me ni bi kasa over 150 of them a doctor for a nurse for wamanya yare ni bi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Majesty.
CJ, I'm the passer who topic when it's an issue. Once I say, I'm bad and say, I almost say, Yaleno and Chinkwala. There's a reporter from Koko. Akwala, a 6 months old baby. When I really be from declared from the hospital, say, when I really be. You see, Yaleno, any will be a any will be a Sakola, 6 months old baby. Let's say your war to fight with this pandemic. CJ, they can say if we are president, that's the biggest problem because Umma is via going to be in Bush and so. You will have a president that can say, frontline workers, Obiabeji 150 Ghana. But in paying for no, I'm going to say the margin by say, I'm going to first month, that's 45 million old Ghana cities. Second month, the pay for out there. Scano, Omutia, 700. 70 Ghana. 70 Ghana, no, director of Asante Regional Head of Paying Bakuno. Okay, say, Sankaran so much Ghana, they can stop the work. And I'm going to book here, I'm going to die here. Now, from 1 to 2, after time, because say, 12,000. Now, 12,000, Ghana kidding to you. Even Nigeria, I hear almost 120 million population, of the 16,000.
Majesty, my lord. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Number 20.
But if I'm Antiagi.
Antiagi Casafrin.
Go more bossy.
Yentil.
Ada, me for church. Oh, man, you could or you paying. About me, no one can say. Say, so. They say, Yali wrong. I told my airport. And if I now saw this someone almost a man, just a well made, but I can't see me and can't.
Sorry. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Yes, I'm Patoini.
I see you from Abanda one because it's a farm.
Abanda Yentil.
Yeah, CJ Ozukan, my Musu Wifi, Namanda was and the paying Sachuma is a man, Papa. CJ, young man, a way and a politician. Since the Americans, the Akasat and Akasa, but never can have a right and then I get politics. Share a our contact reasons area, the case is actually way to be very good. So, on the service in Peter zone, you see what bed and what voters registered. Let's see if someone there. See, you can say, a flubber of school is the isolation center new school. Let's see, from where the work to school is from Mano. So we can get them what I found away. And if I think Ghana yell prayer with them, I know, yes, your man being on the day. Mabakiana or the Quambian or Chido Gad, Ozo. No, Ghana has service was somewhere that work at the yearly, Yashi, and also by 4 school. But a country will be 7 good as that. One way or find a quiet uncle school. Now, service school is a year, that's a council, you pay them for nothing, you goodness and a year. Let's have you find a yearly takwa, bad. President Akufo-Addo or high Uganda, but that's it.
Mr. Medase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mbajoini.
Si, mami nyakwa.
Mami yakwa kasa free.
Ne wala pass mini.
Mami yakwa yenti o.
Hwe. Aya na nipa kase o mampani ha o man ya mementi ase. Hwe ade we se ye kase mo friend na fie mienu. Na se eho aduro ma ya. Omo kwa problem ebeba. Na mo se yetimi kasa kire ye man. Sani ombesho muye ni siasa ni ebetina omayimu a yebetimi ni yare atina omayimu ha yenya problem enti mestra wofu ekata asem ne se obebe fifia nene nkata ne kire no kwan ya omfaso kwatele skumu onko hagi obia na se omu nyina tie ya asem a yebeko yenim abi oma yi contact yi traces na omusika akoka baby. Why na yena sadia sese o ma musika if you just sadia we say nipa yare da ona me kura mi butie ne ni yare a sese mi siro no bi o kwa check na yamaye no sika ka kresi e de man eno se yemfa man ena e de ansam no e de na ekoso o man a me sira panifo aka bi e wo mu say o mu hwe sadia no mu ne wuduma mai animu ya ansa na e too late me da se papa
me so me da se mami. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Yes, I'm Bajoini.
Morning, Jumapa. The son of Kwame Mensah, Kasa Free UK.
TV no, and our laptop no.
Okay, that's it. Miss Ramo, my Ghana, Miss Ramo, Yadia, Miss Ramo, Kokura, and Kasa. There's no. One crowd to Miss Ramo, first mass needed and near my idea to talk on Miss Ramo, my Ghana. CJ, one crowd. One time maybe more. One time maybe. Maybe won't get the president to carry. President to say, economy, dear. You better not at the boat is at the bay, better me get siho. Yama won't want to million fee, dear. Nathaniel Honey. She contact Tracy, Kumasi, so many Jayato. There's so much Jayato. I never said I buy no so I said the saying, I buy said the saying. See the Miss Ramon, Miss Ramon, enemy Tianus to be a name at a tear. A day. See, as I make with a mobile, Bian Fansa or Fasa or her, mobile tea. I feel when Quenevia, Ghana. And it's a mummy and sanitary tamumians and a mummy and Nubenia, Saya being. Now, you know, but be a no one would be able to go man at that channel, ye be kuno. Yana more deno, air carbon check up for ye to my abafi. And they become one. Ye don't want to hear Breno, ye become woman, my papa. Ubus Libya who don't know to quiet my version of piano. Who Baba Kuno? And it's a whoop here one time who buying.
Abenuso Kasa Free UK, oh.
I'm Pacho. With Kasa Free UK. Your friend of Kwame Mensah.
Of Kwame Medase.
No swing on my say.
What be so Facebook? They see, say. When hunu politin bag bia nipa no yakwa kwesi amuna omoda adaka nmu no ento ono na dwene mu no ene say dama ya address na hye ni coat ana odadaka nmu COVID-19 bri mu wawu ni ekosie wa ya wadaje ya de be hye coat ana hye gown Hello, good morning. Mami for my last caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me ba chodum radio no kra mami.
Ya mati. Na okombrege me fresh guma France.
Na ona ma yinti.
Sidi, ayazo. Get that in front there smart. Abashone. The mama wa what papa mo nya fe ni mzi. The me abi mom nya fe na abai na business na so nya mo. Over here for that, prepare for what to fix up. You could do my dam, wɔfa wo bla ba ya me ja wo dodo e bi nunanom akwa chado
medase nana medase na me fansia na me sisu bie un kan kyerɛw abusua ne aduro no our destinies are in our own hands ye shabre kura ya yensem mesraw me sada me sayem mask no show shamask no hohoro wonsaw bo mofra no ho ban o na bo ankasa ho ban ebiem bebia sika no wo biara aban wadaroma sa pasa o jia basobade a release sika Emma frontline health workers no and can contact tracers critical care nurses aban chwani show omo my fancy na fasida Emma DBS roofing sheet and awake mineral water me the chief Jerry Forson me twa me ho aba me ba e beto adwuma